Inspired me, and I hope it inspires some females in the house tonight. How are you females? How are you feeling? I love you too, man. How are you feeling, man?
Yeah.
If you grow up the type of woman men want to look at, you can let them look at you. But do not mistake eyes for hands, windows, or mirrors. Let them see what a woman looks like. They may not have ever seen one before. If you grow up the type of a woman men want to touch, you can let them touch you. Sometimes it's not you they're reaching for. Sometimes it's a bottle, a door, a sandwich, a Pulitzer, another woman, but their hands found you first. Do not mistake yourself for a guardian or a muse or a victim or a promise or a snack. You are a woman, skin and bones, veins and nerves, hair and sweat. You're in the middle of apologies, not excuses, not metaphors. If you grow up the type of a woman men want to hold, you can let them hold you. All day they spend time practicing how to keep upright. Even after all this evolving, it still feels unnatural, still holds firm the spines and arms. So only some men want to learn what it feels like to curl themselves in a question mark around you and admit that they don't have the answers they thought they would have by now. Some men will hold you like you are the answer. You're not the answer. You're not the problem, the riddle, or the joke. Woman, if you grow up the type of a woman men want to love, you can let them love you. You see, being loved is not the same thing as loving. When you fall in love, it is like discovering the ocean. After years of poly jumping, it's realizing you have hands. It's reaching for that tightrope when all the crowds have gone home. Do not spend time wondering if you are the type of woman men will hurt. If he leaves you with a car alarm heart, you learn to sing along. It is hard to stop loving the ocean after it has left you gasping, salty. So forgive yourself for the decisions you have made, for the ones you call mistakes when you tuck them in at night. And know this, know you are the type of a woman that is searching for a place to call yours. Let the statues crumble. You've always been that place. You're a woman who can build it herself. Thank you.